Hey there, ocean lovers! Welcome back to another episode of our channel. Today, we're going on a journey to explore the captivating world of clownfish mating and reproduction. You'll learn about their unique mating rituals, the incredible process of sex change, and the challenges these tiny heroes face during the early stages of their lives. So sit back, relax, and join us for this unforgettable underwater love story. And remember, if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Clownfish might be small, but they have a love life that's larger than life. These quirky little creatures, which belong to the genus Amphiprion, have a mating and reproductive process that's truly one of a kind. Before we dive deeper into the underwater world of these charismatic fish, let's take a quick look at their natural habitat. Clownfish are found in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, where they coexist with sea anemones. This fascinating partnership is an excellent example of mutualism, a type of symbiotic relationship where both species benefit from living together. While clownfish find protection from predators within the stinging tentacles of the anemones, they, in turn, help the anemones by providing food and keeping them clean. It's a win for both parties. Clownfish live in groups called shoals, with a strict hierarchy that would put the most rigid royal court to shame. The dominant female rules the roost, followed by the dominant male. The rest of the shoal is made up of smaller, sexually immature males, which are all vying for the chance to move up the ranks. But what happens when the reigning queen passes on? Get ready for a dramatic transformation that's right out of a Shakespearean play. When the dominant female meets her untimely demise, an extraordinary chain of events unfolds. The dominant male steps up, embarking on a remarkable metamorphosis that will change him into the new dominant female. Yes, you heard that right. Clownfish are sequential hermaphrodites, meaning they can change their sex when the need arises. This process, called protandrous hermaphroditism, involves a complete shift in reproductive organs and hormonal changes, ensuring that the newly crowned queen is ready to continue the royal bloodline. With the throne now occupied by the former dominant male, the competition for the top male position begins. The remaining immature males battle it out, displaying various aggressive behaviors and asserting their dominance. It's a high-stakes race, as the winner will earn the privilege of mating with the new queen and passing on their gene. Once the new power couple is established, it's time to set the stage for some underwater romance. The male will court the female by performing an elaborate dance, nipping at her fins and showcasing his vibrant colors. It's an underwater tango that's as stunning to watch as it is essential for the survival of the species. As the female prepares to lay her eggs, the male takes on the role of an eager-to-please partner. He'll scout the perfect nesting site, typically a flat surface close to their anemone home. With the determination of an overzealous housekeeper, he'll clean the area, removing any debris or algae to ensure a safe and pristine environment for the soon-to-be-laid eggs egg. Once the nest is ready, the female will lay her eggs, numbering from a few hundred to over 1,000. The male follows closely behind, releasing his sperm to fertilize the freshly laid eggs. This synchronized dance of reproduction is a testament to the innate connection between the two partners. Unlike some other fish species that have more direct mating methods, clownfish reproduction is all about external fertilization. Picture this. The female, after being wooed by the male's dance, starts releasing her eggs on the nest. The male, in perfect harmony, swims closely behind her, releasing his sperm into the water. As the eggs and sperm mix in the surrounding water, fertilization occurs. It's a beautifully choreographed underwater ballet, where the male and female work together in unison to ensure the survival of the next generation of clownfish. This delicate dance of reproduction is just another reason why clownfish are such fascinating creatures. After the eggs are fertilized, the dedicated clownfish parents take turns guarding and tending to their precious cargo. They'll fan the eggs with their fins, ensuring a constant flow of oxygen, rich water, and vigilantly watch for any potential predator. After about a week, the big moment arrives. Hundreds of tiny, transparent clownfish larvae emerge from their eggs, ready to take on the world. These fragile babies, equipped with large eyes and a tiny yolk sac for nutrition, will face a challenging journey before they can settle into their own anemone homes. The first couple of weeks are the most dangerous for the larvae, as they're vulnerable to predators and must navigate the ocean currents. They'll rely on their instincts and sheer determination to survive this perilous phase. Once the young clownfish have grown stronger and developed their vibrant colors, they'll begin the search for a suitable anemone to call home. This process can be quite competitive, as available anemone real estate is often scarce. But once they find their perfect home, they'll form a new shoal and start the cycle all over again. Clownfish play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of coral reef ecosystems. By living in harmony with sea anemones, they contribute to the overall health and biodiversity of these underwater wonders. It's essential that we do our part to protect clownfish and their coral reef habitats, ensuring that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Alright folks, are you ready for some clownfish fun facts? Here are 3 that are sure to make you smile. Fact 1. Clownfish have a secret weapon against their stinging anemone roommates. They're covered in a special mucus layer that keeps them from being stung. This mucus acts like a protective shield, allowing clownfish to snuggle up to their anemone homes without any fear of getting hurt. This special mucus layer is unique to clownfish and is about 3 to 4 times thicker than the mucus layers found on other fish species. Scientists believe that the composition of the mucus prevents the nematocysts from firing, allowing clownfish to safely coexist with their anemone partners without being stung. This incredible adaptation is crucial to the mutualistic relationship between the 2 species. Fact 2. Did you know that clownfish can talk? That's right. They communicate with each other using popping and chirping sounds. These noises help them stay connected with their shoalmates and can even be a way of asserting their dominance in the hierarchy. The language of clownfish is more intricate than you might think. These underwater chatterboxes use popping and chirping sounds to communicate with one another, but the purpose of these noises extends beyond simple social interaction. Researchers have discovered that the frequency and volume of these sounds can provide information about the size and rank of the individual clownfish, louder and lower. Pitch pops may signal a larger, more dominant fish, while quieter, higher-pitched chirps might indicate a smaller, submissive individual. This acoustic communication plays a vital role in maintaining the strict hierarchy that exists within clownfish shoals. Fact 3. Clownfish come in a variety of colors and sizes, ranging from a tiny 3 inches to a more sizable 7 inches. They can be orange, yellow, maroon, or even black, often with those signature white bands we all know and love. With over 30 different species of clownfish, there's a whole rainbow of these charismatic characters swimming around in the ocean. With over 30 different species of clownfish, there's a multitude of colors, patterns, and sizes to discover. The most famous clownfish, the orange clownfish or Amphiprion percola, is easily recognized by its bright orange color and white bands. However, other species, like the maroon clownfish, Amphiprion biaculeatus, sport a deep red hue with white or yellow bands. The saddleback clownfish, Amphiprion polymnus, has a distinctive pattern resembling a saddle, while the all-black clownfish, Amphiprion alardi, boasts an almost completely black body with just a hint of white on its fine. This incredible diversity allows clownfish to adapt to various environments and contributes to their widespread distribution throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans. And there you have it, folks. An in-depth look at the incredible story of clownfish mating and reproduction, complete with drama, romance, and the awe-inspiring power of nature. These captivating creatures never cease to amaze us with their resilience and adaptability. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Deep Dive Delights for more fascinating insights into the marine world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring